Hey everyone, Robert here, and I wanted to go over a workaround on getting system sounds or what you hear coming out of your iPad into the audio portion of your native screen capturing format. Now, for those of you who don't know, the latest update in iOS, at iOS 11 for iPhone and iPad, involves a cool native screen format. And we're going to get to the workaround a little bit, but I'm going to briefly touch on how you access it. Now, if I swipe up from the bottom, you're going to get a new control panel, and you are going to see this pulsing record button off to the far right. This is my native recording, and I am recording this tutorial from this native screen recording, and it's awesome. If you hold down on any one of these controls, you'll see that I'm recording and that the narration microphone is on. So I am able to narrate while I am recording this tutorial. And to get to that, you will go to, once you've updated iOS 11, you will go to your settings and you will go to your control center, tap on control center, and you will tap on customize control. And as you can see up at the very top, I have added screen recording, and you can see that you can add other things as well. But I'm going to let you do the updates if you haven't done so already and get into doing that sort of thing. So what I found out, and because I like to do these tutorials, is this is great. I can record directly from my iPhone or iPad, and I can narrate, but I wasn't able to get system sounds or your mixing or what you hear, whatever you want to call it, based off of your computer. So if I wanted to go and have a video file that's up and record it while narrating, I wasn't able to do that. And what I have found out through experimentation is in applications like GarageBand or GeoShred, those applications work off of sounds that I believe are caused by synthesis. They're a wave synthesizer. If I were to go back into and get into Music Maker Jam or any other music application that has downloaded audio files like MP3 or OGG or WAV files, that the mic would cut out. And I'm going to give you an example. Now, I'm going to give you an example, and the audio is going to cut out, so don't adjust your speakers. But I'm going to tap on my YouTube app down at the very bottom, and the sound is going to cut out. And you'll see what I mean in just a second. And I'll be right back to show you the workaround. Now I'm narrating here, and what's eventually going to happen is that the sound is going to cut out. If I tap on any So I'm back now. The audio is back, and it's an inconvenience if you're doing screen tutorials to be able to be hampered by the audio portion of it whenever you have system sounds coming out, because you may want to teach over a particular video. But I have found a workaround, and what it is you have to have an application that is running in the background that can record sound while you are working with other apps. Now, on your iPhone, you have the memo app that is there, voice memos. That can run in the background, although you might want to check that out just to make sure. But I use an app called Audio Share, an audio document manager, and it runs for about $4.99 in the App Store. And what you can do with this is you can go in, and once you have your app installed, you can go ahead, and it has a built-in recording system within the app. I'm going to go ahead and close out of this, and in the bottom left-hand corner you'll see the little mic, and you'll tap on it, and what you'll do is you will record while it's going on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on record, and then I'm going to go back into my YouTube app, and I'm going to go ahead and show you what I mean. Now it's going to cut out whenever I do the YouTube app. On my end, but what you are going to see in this video is what it's going to sound like, the audio is going to sound like whenever you get there. So I'm going to tap on record, and right now it's recording right now. So I'm going to go ahead and get out of this, and I'm going to tap on my YouTube app. Okay, we're going to tap on that. You'll hear me back in my regular app, and I'm going to go ahead and stop the recording, and it's going to go through. And now I'm going to go ahead and tap on play, and you're going to hear me narrating before, but you're also going to hear me narrating as well as the YouTube sound coming through at the same time. So take a listen. I'm going to tap on the green play button. And right now it's recording right now. So I'm going to go ahead and get out of this, and I'm going to tap on my YouTube app. Okay, we're going to tap on that. Okay.
Death certificate says he died of heart failure.
Okay, and it's going.
Falsifying a death certificate? It's not going to hold me.
Okay.
You're right.
There it's. Okay. So, if you didn't hear it in the video, and there's a possibility, I'm going to review it. Now, if you don't hear it, I'll put annotations up. But what it does is that it will record your narration and your system sound, the sound that's coming from YouTube or any other app. It is going to record that as well as your narration. And then what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to download the video that is there that you've created with your screen recording app, as well as the audio file that you've got through your audio share, and you'll have to download them to a video editor. I haven't been able to find one on the iPad that is able to import your audio or your video, but you can import it into like a video editor on your computer, whether you have a Mac or a PC. I know it's a hassle, but the way that I look at it is that I am grateful for this because I have a native recording screen app that is able to cut down on the air recording that we all used to do, which was a pain in the butt. It's a lot smoother recording experience, and if you don't want to get system audio, it's great. But until they get this fixed, you are going to have to go through some type of working around, and I am giving you one now. So audio share is what I use, and it's great if you are into music or media. You're able to organize your audio documents. You're able to upload these to Dropbox or email them to yourself, or you're able to get these off of here without any problem. Same way with the video, with the screen recording, and it's not there yet, but it'll show up in your video album of your camera roll, and you should be able to use this as a good workaround for this. And the Audio Share app is $4.99 in the App Store, or if you can find another app, or for your iPhone users, if you can use a voice memo and try to record in the background and see if that works. But in any case, and last thing before we go, the audio quality that you're getting while the Audio Share app is running in the background, the audio recording that you're getting from like YouTube and other things, is just the same quality as you would hear on the headphones. So you've got that working for you. Okay, I hope that this video helps those who are trying to find a workaround, and well, I'm out of here, folks. Later.